Come on, friends. Today we take you to the kitchen of your home. There are no complicated recipes here, no big secrets. Once you see this recipe, you will understand what it is made of and how it is made. I will not tell you anything. Just look with your eyes and feel it with your heart. The main character of this dish is chicken. Blood clean and increases the body's immunity. Onion and chicken together mean taste and benefits both double. Then comes raw chili. Even though the spiciness is felt in the mouth, its benefits are many. Chili increases the body's metabolism, helps reduce cold and cough, and removes harmful substances accumulated inside the body. Coriander and cumin powder. These two are like the lifeblood of cooking. Coriander and cumin are very beneficial for digestion, keeps the stomach light, reduces gas problems, and helps the body absorb the nutrients of food easily. But
potatoes are a familiar and beloved name of our daily food. Many people think that potatoes are only the cause of obesity, but the truth is that potatoes have many benefits. Potatoes contain a lot of carbohydrates, which provide the body with quick energy. The vitamin C in them helps to increase immunity and is beneficial for keeping the skin healthy. Potatoes contain potassium, which helps control blood pressure and keeps the heart healthy. In addition, the fiber in potatoes increases digestion and helps reduce constipation. Boiled or cooked potatoes with less oil are quite healthy for the body. Therefore, potatoes cooked in the right amount and properly can definitely be included in our daily diet. Chicken is a food that tastes great and is also very beneficial for the body. Those who regularly eat only chicken or chicken as a main dish can get many health benefits. Firstly, chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein. Protein helps build our body's muscles and keeps the body strong. Chicken is very beneficial for those who exercise or want to overcome weakness. Secondly, chicken is easily digested, so there is no extra pressure on the stomach. Eating chicken is very good when recovering from illness or as a light meal. Thirdly, vitamins B6 and B12 in chicken help increase our body's energy and keep the nerves healthy. Eating chicken regularly reduces fatigue and increases work capacity. In addition, the amount of fat in chicken is relatively low, especially if it is eaten without the skin. Therefore, chicken is an ideal food if you want to control your weight. Finally, eating chicken cooked in the right amount and healthily keeps the body healthy, strong, and functional. Therefore, including chicken in your daily diet will definitely benefit you.
it strengthens the body, keeps the mind healthy, and increases the love for home-cooked food. So why wait any longer? Make this easy, healthy, and delicious chicken recipe at home. Learn by watching, understand by eating. Good food means good living.